Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. This week, I have something a little bit different. Recently, I've been going through some personal challenges and haven't been in the mood to go out and shoot. Instead, I've put together a compilation of random footage I've captured over the past year. It is a way for me to reflect on the beautiful moments and places I've experienced. I want to take a moment and express my heartfelt gratitude for your ongoing support. Your comments, likes, and subscriptions have kept me going on this adventure. Life has its ups and downs, and your encouragement means a lot. I hope you enjoy this collection and the visuals it has to offer. But until next week, bye-bye.